In this lecture, we will see how to create practice exercise 23. You can see here elevation, side view and top view, 3D view. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice, template, click here open, then make it here top in coordinate. Then go to here, select here cylinder, click here, make it radius 45. Just go to here, make it 45, then press enter. We need to make it height. You can see here thickness 15, then press enter. Then go to the circle, just go near to this, click here. We need to make it this PCD, pitch circle. You can see here radius 33, make it 33, press enter. Next we need to make it this circle for radius 5. Go to here, select here circle, just click this quadrant, make it 5 radius, or you can select here top view. After that you can create properly. You can see here this location, that is better, otherwise it will place like this. Select this one, go to the move command, place it exactly here. You can see here you will get it exactly the drawing also same. Select this one, go to here array tool, polar array, click here. We need to make it quantity 6 quantity. You can see here 6 quantity. Remove this associative, close array, then go to the 3D view, select here southeast isometric, select this pitch circle, delete it, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, repeat the same all the location, press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Next we need to make it this one diameter 40, radius 20. Go to here, go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Next we need to make it this one 45. Go to here, press pull, click here, make it 45, then press enter. Press escape key, select the circle, delete it. Next we need to make this one for diameter 50, radius 25. Go to the cylinder, just go near to this, click here, make it 25, press enter. Next we need to make it this height 30, press enter. Then go to here union, select this all the thing, press enter. Now it is single part. Next we need to make this hole first. You can see here dia 30, throughout we need to create the hole, dia 30, radius 15. Go to here, go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it dia 30, means radius 15. You can select here diameter also, you can directly enter diameter 30, press enter. Then go to the press pull, click here and click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this one. You can see here diameter 38. Just go to here, select here circle, go near to this, click here, select here diameter 38, then press enter. We need to make press pull this side 25. Just go to here, select here press pull, click this location, minus 25, then press enter. Press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Now if you go inside, you can see here what we created, that one. Next we need to make it this side chamfer 2 mm. Go to here, go to the solid tab, select here chamfer, distance 2, press enter, 2, press enter. Select this edge and press double enter. Now it is ready. Now this product is ready. You can arrange drawing inside layout, and you can make these dimensions and all. You can make changes in this. Then you can print the drawing.